Bishop Kazimba ebiyabigambera izoba obuyabakurira kushabira amagaraganya kwegendera Nathaniel Sebugunzu owaferira ha myaka igana 10 kandi owabirarishe w'omushobozi ruranganwa Dr. Amos Nzeyi kandi okushaba oku kwabaha kanisa ya St. Peter's Cathedral Rugarama omurembo Kabare. Kazimba yagira ngo tubasa kuba turi abebina bitari kushana mu by'obutegeki konka tubasa kukorera hamwe atariho kurwanagana kandi agumize ngo buryo mwe nayetenga mutahiwe.
Let me request you, as we conclude, let us be remembered for being peacemakers in politics. Let us promote peace. Let us support one another in bringing peace. As we remember this one, let us be remembered for peacemaking.
Bishop Kazimba yashabazire okurebeka ngo bakuzajya abana babo babegesa kora hamwe no kunda ruhanga.
So great to the world that even after they have gone, they like to remain. That is the message in that movement. It's a powerful message. Let us teach children to pray.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni owabajwekirwe omuhezi wa speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yagira ngo ekizibu cya Uganda tukuburwa eby'obugeiga konka no kushanga ngo abantu bingi okubura okutendekwa okuru kwetagisa okugira ngo base kwejunise eby'obugeiga mu ihanga.
Is always willing to work with people who have entrepreneurial foresight to see opportunities in Uganda. The problem of Uganda and most of Africa is not the lack of natural resources. Wealth is abundant, but our people do not have the training and entrepreneurship to take advantage of the opportunities.
President Museveni yayongera yasima Dr. Amos Nzeyi abokoresa amani kandi akatungura ihanga ariko bimukwereza abantu emirimo.
Started by restoring and expanding the small colonial enclave economy of the 3 C's, that is coffee, cotton and copper, and 3 T's, which is tobacco, tea and tourism, which was destroyed by Idi Amin. Thereafter, we diversified the economy by commercializing all our products, that is milk, maize, bananas, etc., and prioritizing value addition and industrialization.
Omugambo bye Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yashabazire okukuza abana b'inigenderwa kandi yajumirira omuzigo abazire okorekera abana aha mashomero.
He was very, very intentional in the way he raised the children. Akabiba ababana karabiwe mbibo. Akabiba haza murareba akabiba kurungi yabitamamana kurajya mu muzeyi umurimo guyarakora akaba yetaga abana ngo bamushendekeze kunyomuramba akabara akaraza kwihama nyibo muramba.
Owabirenganzi ihanga Right Honorable Amama Mbabazi yagamba ha mugenzi ngo omuntu wabire ari obusinge omukozi w'amani omuntu wabire nakunda ruhanga kandi ari omuhabuzi.
He would invite me to sit on his lap, treat me as a baby and tell me stories from his long and eventful life. By the way, at that time I was the Minister of Defense of Uganda, and he was holding me in his hand.
Gasha kwa Jime Emmanuel omuri Kabare.